Well, hello, and welcome back to Shaneshobbyshop. Today, we're in the kitchen. Want to see what we're going to make up? Stay tuned. Alright, today's recipe is going to be called butter chicken. Very simple, even you can follow along to do this yourself. All you're going to need is some chicken thighs. I got some skinless chicken thighs. We've got a couple of sticks of butter. How much you're going to need on butter? Well, that depends on how many chickens you're going to do versus the pan you're going to be putting it in. I'll explain more on that later. You're going to need some type of seasoning. I got some Tony's Creole seasoning and some barbecue sauce. That's all you're going to need. So first up, what we're going to be doing, we're going to take these chicken thighs and we're going to be putting them on a smoker. We're going to smoke them for a few hours, and then I'll come back and show you what the next step is. Alright, let's get busy. Okay, we got the chicken smoked. Now we did smoke this on the actual smoke setting, so it's a very low setting. So the chicken is not cooked yet, it is just smoked, okay? Our next step, what we're going to do, is we got our butter here. Now one other step that you can do is you can add rosemary and garlic to your butter to give it a little bit more flavor or taste. So that's what we did here. So now I'm going to add the butter to about halfway up on the chickens, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, that's about right there. Alright, now the next step we're going to do is go ahead and take our Tony sachet, and we're going to baste all of our chickens with the Tonys. Alright, we went ahead and done that. Now then, we're going to go ahead and put this back in the grill. We're going to crank up the temperature to about 250, 275 until we can cook it for about an hour, or until the internal temperature is going to read at 165. Alright, then we got a next step for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this in. Alright. Okay, we got our chickens on here. We went ahead and smoked them to begin with. Then we put them into a butter bath. And then we put them back on the pit at 250, 275 for about an hour, or until they got to a temperature of 165 internal temperature. Now what we've done is took them out of the butter bath. I put them on my barbecue pit. And now I'm going to be adding the barbecue sauce. Now one thing you can't add to your barbecue sauce is honey. And what the honey would do is give your meat a very high glaze, very shiny, and also give it a nice flavor to it. So let's go ahead and put this on. After we do this, we're going to go ahead and close the lid. We're going to go ahead and cook it a little bit longer. What I am looking for is a nice shine on my meat, and also my internal temperature will be at 175, and then we will be done. Alright, there we go. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and cook this to about 175 internal temperature, and it will be done. We'll see you then. Alright, well let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, that looks really good. Nice and tender. Oh yeah. Very juicy. Alright, I call this a success. Right. Very juicy, very delicious, really love it. You gotta try it. Alright, like this video, please give me a little thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. My name's Shane, and this is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.